Sit down.
Sit
It's
down.
only trial. When I say Tita says sit down, you have to sit down. Put your hands in the air. But you have to wait the instruction. Tita says, Tita says, there's no more Tita. Tita says, raise your hand in the air. But if there's no Tita says, you're good. Okay. You know the instructions now. Ready. Jump up and down.
Oh, try it.
This is me now. This is Tita. Okay.
Mosa,
No, not yet.
if there is tita, you do. If there is no tita, don't do.
If there's Tita says, clap your hands. You have to clap your hands. What if I say clap your hands? Are you ready? Okay. Tita says, jump.
Jump.
Okay. Sit. Oh. Tita says, clap your hands. Tita says, raise your left hand. Right. Stomp your feet. Ooh, very good. Tita says, sit down. Stand up.
Oh! Mosa, you're out!
Sorry, you're out.
out ka na lang.
You can do it.
Out na lang.
Okay, we have
It's
six
okay, next time.
contenders.
Is that chocolate? I think that's eraser. That's an eraser.
Okay.
Keep it there because that's your prize.